Hi everyone, Zach here from Whole Latte Love. We are at the 2025 SCA Expo here in Houston at the BWT booth. I'm joined by Micah, and he's going to be telling us a new exciting product that they actually have right now.
Hey everyone, we got the new Flexhead with the Flowmeter built in. If you can see it right here. We're making it a little bit easier for you to work with your equipment. You got here some settings that you can change and reset on how long the filter will last. And it's our normal Flexhead, where you can easily, toollessly replace parts or replace connection points, whatever you need. Just like that.
Quite a lot easier than maybe the previous setup.
Yeah.
Especially for home use. Maybe you've never really dealt too much within plumbing at all. So just putting your hands on this, it's pretty clear and simple, easy to see what to do on this.
Yeah, it's basically 4 turns with the Flexhead for it to be locked in. It's double check valves, so when you do need to replace it, it will actually not leak at all. It basically will shut the water off. That's what it looks like here. But very simple, easy to maneuver in your house. It could actually be on its side. You can stand it up, whichever way works for you in your home or commercial use.
So there's clearly a lot more of a simple look to this. It looks great. You don't have too many additives to this, but we still have the aquameter. Why is this aquameter so important?
What it does is it lets you keep track of how much use of your filter you've used. You can it'll set the counter, it'll go negative. So when you go over, it'll actually let you know that you've overused your filter, so then you know when to change it. It will flash when that happens, but it's just a cleaner look instead of having another separate component that's on the water line that you have to connect, that it's all built into one with the head. So it's a nice, clean look.
And what are some of the things that would happen if you aren't paying attention to that aquameter, if you're just going based off of time and not liters?
What you basically would have the issues would be you would have failures to your components of your coffee equipment due to the lack of changing out the filters. You know, lime scale buildup, some other things would happen if you weren't paying attention to this.
So overall, a safer choice to just have that built in right away.
Yeah, and we make it easier with it built in straight to the head, so you don't even have to think about it. It's already there for you to use.
I am personally very excited about this. I think it's going to streamline a lot of people's home setups and commercial. But Micah, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you all out there.
Yeah, thank you for having us. We're very excited about this new product.